The key to happiness might just lie in the humble banane plantain. This delightful dish deserves to be tried often. Let's start with 2 ripe bananas, often referred to as frying bananas in some places. The first step is to cut off both ends of the banana to discard the unusable parts. Next, we'll proceed to slice the bananas as I'm showing here, repeating the same process for the second banana. Once the bananas are sliced, we'll place them in a pot and add water to cover them completely. We'll cover the pot and let the bananas cook on high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This time is crucial for the bananas to reach the desired texture. Meanwhile, take about 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and grate it finely. This will be one of the crucial ingredients for this recipe. Also, take some ham, about 100 grams as well, and grate it in the same way. After cooking, we'll remove the bananas from the heat and drain off the excess water. In a bowl, we'll place the cooked bananas. This is where we greatly value your opinions and comments. We encourage you to prepare this recipe at home and share with us what you thought. With a potato masher, we'll crush the bananas until we have a homogeneous mixture. This step is fundamental to achieve the perfect texture for our rolls. At this moment, I would like to express my gratitude to all those who have shared their love and support from various parts of the world. Now we'll add half a cup of cornmeal, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the bowl with the banana. Mix well until we have a homogeneous dough. While we do this, it's a pleasure to imagine from which part of the world you're watching and preparing this recipe. It's exciting to think about sending a special greeting to all of you in the next recipe. If you've made this recipe before, I'd love to hear how it went. And if it's your first time, I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. We'll reserve the dough for a moment and prepare a cutting board with cling film. We'll place a portion of the dough on the paper, covering it with another layer of cling film. With a rolling pin, we'll extend the dough until we get the desired thickness. Next, we'll cut the edges to shape our rolls. On each portion of dough, we'll place a little of the grated mozzarella cheese and some ham, then carefully roll them up. We'll repeat this process with the rest of the dough. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my recipes, I'll be delighted to hear your opinions and ratings. Once the rolls are formed, we'll reserve them and heat up a pan. We'll use just a little bit of oil to prevent sticking and place the rolls in the pan. We'll brown them for about 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat, turning them to brown evenly. Finally, once browned on all sides, our delicious banana rolls stuffed with ham and cheese will be ready to enjoy. These rolls are not only exquisite and easy to make, but they are also an economical and versatile option, perfect for any meal of the day. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do and that you share it with your loved ones. Enjoy your meal, and see you in the next recipe.